While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Miss Solar. But this looks like it's filmed beautifully as well. Look at all the landscapes. Okay, landscape shot. Ooh, another landscape shot. Is it gonna be another landscape? Oh, an eagle shot. Fire. Whoa. Is she what? Oh. Was I in the coffin? Oh, what a... Oh, her, like she's reborn? Oh, it's a mirror. Everybody think I was happy, but Ooh. Damn. I did not expect that. That's crazy. Let me go back. Damn. It's an anthem. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Damn. Okay. Oh, that's fire. Ooh. Where was this filmed? That horse is so beautiful though. No! Whoa. What was that? Like a whole sun behind? Oh, damn. Ooh. I can see this pretty fire like live too. We already know Solar's mic is on. Woo! Hey, yo! It is a nice contrast between piano and rock. I could never predict how this was gonna sound. I thought it was gonna be a ballad, and I would be fine with that. I was just like, oh, Zany Bros is directing it, of course. Is this the first mini album? Oh, second mini album. Oh, sorry, I misread, per usual. Whoa. But oh my god. Okay, vocals. After this it's colors, right? If I'm damn, I'm stuttering. If I'm not mistaken. Someone in the comments said Solar is such a phoenix. She is the sun, fire, passion, and power, reinvention, freedom, flying high. Damn, that's a description. I actually like the shots too. I'm not sure where it was shot in. Does anybody know? Wow, rock band / ballad type of vibe. The US. It seems like the USA. That first but I actually gave me chills because I didn't expect it to like change up like that. Next up is Colors performance video. I think I've seen a little bit on TikTok and on Instagram. Be sure to follow me on those. But without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Ooh. Oh. Hold up.
I want a black and white one and a pink, oh purple.
Ooh.
I want a black and white one
Hey.
and a pink, oh purple.
Oh, where's
I want a
this
black
film too?
And white one and a pink, oh purple.
Ooh.
I want a black and white one and a pink. Doesn't matter. Hey, stop. What you want? Tell me everything you want. What
Hey.
do you want? What do you want? Tell me everything you want.
Okay, I will.
Oh, yes.
Damn.
What you want?
That
Tell me
red
everything you
on
want.
her?
What do you want? What do
Okay,
you want?
dancers.
Tell me I do what you want. Look in the mirror and pose so damn fine. And say
So
it.
damn fine. Say it.
I'm sick so bad. Louder.
Okay, Solar.
Louder. I'm sick.
Hey,
I'm hot,
hey, hey.
I'm gorgeous so bad. I want a black.
I love the blur.
I'm sick. I'm hot. I'm gorgeous so
I'm
bad.
bad.
I want a black and white one.
Hey.
Pink.
Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Get it.
Pink. Oh, I want a black.
Oh my goodness. Fountain.
Doesn't matter.
Hey, hey, hey.
Get up, get up,
Okay.
Get up, get up.
Hey, hey. Oh, hey. Get it. Get it. Oh my god. Hey. You better.
Get up, get up, get up, get up.
This looks so fun though, actually. Like the film.
Get up, get up, get up, get up, bum, bum, bum. I would like a model people say, oh, who's that sexy thing I see over there? Yeah, that's me. Don't worry about
Solar.
it. Do the thing, hey, just believe in yourself. What you wanna do, just sing it out loud. Look in the mirror
Ooh.
and pose so damn fine. And say it.
Then say it.
I'm sick, so
I'm sick.
bad. Louder.
Damn.
Louder.
The whacking, the
I'm
voguing.
sick, I'm hot, I'm gorgeous, so bad. I want a black and white one.
Ooh.
Pink, oh, purple. Black and white one.
Ooh. Is there any like live versions of
I
this
want a
too?
black and white
Of like
one.
any of their songs?
Oh, purple. Black and white one and pink. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Get up, get up, get
Ooh.
up, get up, get up.
Hey, 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 hey.
Get up, oops. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up.
Hey, hey. Oh, that was fierce. Holy shit. The energy was great. Holy. Whew. I expected colors because I seen it on TikTok, but I was such a surprise for me too. Yeah, be sure to check it out. Link in the description. Mini album's out. Link in the description.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.